big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
On his planet.
Hippie.
Welcome to Racing.
In Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, only the best. Big Boss. Oh, yes. Look. Wonderful time. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line. Sure.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you when to pitch it hard, get it into the groove. So pay attention. Enjoy the crowd.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Jillian! Huh?
Congratulations.